This is the transport guide that you did not know you needed. Whether you're new in town, visiting, or just trying to survive your daily commute, welcome to Lagos, the city that never sleeps, the buses never stop, and the conductors never have change. Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing the various modes of public transportation available in Lagos, how to use each one of them, and share a few tips on how to keep you and your stuff safe while in transit. Let's break it down because these modes of transportation are not the same. First on this list is the class one, the ride-hailing apps. These are Uber, Bolt, InDrive, and the government-owned one, LagRide. They are the most convenient, comfortable, and elite mode of public transportation in Lagos. Just download the app on your smartphone, register, indicate your pickup location and your interested destination, and a ride will come to you. It also has convenient payment options of either a bank transfer, your ATM card, or cash. You can also track the ride in real time. However, they are the most expensive mode of public transportation available, and the prices go higher during rush hour, in traffic jam, or when it is raining. To stay safe during a ride, always use the in-app communication line. Make sure the driver and car details match with the one stated on the app. Share your trip details with a trusted person. Wait for your ride in a well-lit area. Avoid sharing personal details during the trip. And personally, I will cancel any trip once I see that the vehicle has tinted windscreens. Next is the state-owned transport system, popularly called BRT. They are generally considered the safest and most affordable for long-distance commute within Lagos. Payments on these buses are strictly cashless, so to be able to board one, you need what is called a Lagos Connect card, popularly called BRT card. They have their own designated bus stops and dedicated lanes, so they are rarely caught in traffic. However, due to the long queues and overcrowding, especially during rush hours, the occasional delays, the limited routes, and inconsistent bus availability, most Lagosians avoid the BRT buses and would rather use faster and more flexible options. As safe as the BRT buses are, you still have to stay alert and pay very close attention to your personal items, especially in the crowded bus terminals. Next is the sometimes illegal one, motorcycles, popularly called Okada. They are the fastest and most risky way to cut through any kind of traffic. They are willing to ply routes that all other modes of transportation would not follow at the right price. They are mostly operated by northerners and law enforcement personnel. Okada transport has been banned in most areas of Lagos State, but they are still a viable means of transportation in the suburbs, certain estates, and in dispatching goods and services. If you must commute on an Okada, remember to stay alert. Hold on firmly to your personal items. Avoid major highways where they are banned. Avoid riding Okadas at night. Choose bikes that look good. Above all, assess the Okada rider with your gut feeling. Next on the list are tricycles, popularly called keke. They are mainly used for short local routes within residential areas, suburbs, markets, and streets that are usually inaccessible to bigger vehicles. They are usually quite affordable and load faster than buses, but they have a low speed limit and the rides are usually bumpy due to the streets that they ply. To use a keke, you either board at the designated tricycle park or flag one down along the road on your street. Negotiate and agree on the fare beforehand, then pay when you get to your destination. As a security measure, ask the locals around for the keke going to direction you're going to. Always board at the keke park. And if you must board along the way, do not sit in the middle of already seated passengers. Last but not the least are those yellow mini buses you see everywhere that are popularly called Danfo. They are like the heartbeat of the public transport here in Lagos. They are super popular and honestly chaotic, but you cannot help it because they get the job done. Most Lagosians use them every day because they are cheap and can squeeze through traffic faster than most cars. To board one, head to the major bus stop in your area. Listen out for the conductor or driver or the passenger hustling person, popularly called Agbero, yelling out the direction in which the bus is going to. When you enter, don't expect a fixed schedule because they move when they are full and stop whenever they see a potential passenger or somebody needs to get off the bus. In a downfall, payment is usually made in cash during the trip to either the conductor or the driver. Compared to the ride-hailing apps and BRT, downfall buses are super available and affordable. They get you to your destination faster than a keke and they are not as risky as Okadas. It is safer to board a downfall at the makeshift bus park that are seen at bus stops. Also keep your personal belongings where you can see them. Do not engage in unnecessary conversations that could distract you while inside the downfall. Got 200 naira change. Always hold cash in small denomination as downfall operators don't ever have change. To be honest, Lagos transport can be crazy, but I hope with this guide, you are able to commute smart, stay safe, and maybe even laugh through the chaos. Kindly let me know in the comment section if you think there is something I omitted. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.